Hey guys, George from SME here, and today I'm bringing you another concept and feature of MemSQL in which I believe it helps truly cement itself as the best database for any organization and any use case. Now, we all know that MemSQL has a variety of different hats it can wear. It can serve as a high-speed relational database. It can do data warehousing. It can handle both OLAP and OLTP queries and transactions. It can also ingest a variety of different data sources, such as structured data, JSON data. It can even take in geospatial data and perform those types of functions. But there's another one as well. It can also take in time series data. And this is important because I think that for the most part, a lot of companies have time series data, and especially some that are high volume or high speed, need to be able to track those in real time. So if you see here, I've got a sample data set that combines data from turbines in this reference table, as well as specific readings for these turbines. So let's go over to the studio and take a look. So you see here that I've already created the database ahead of time. I've also inserted into some test data that we can play around with. But you see here that the key data that we're working off of is this time series data. So what does this allow us to do? Well, there's a variety of different things. We can do time bucketing data, where we're able to group the data based off of those time series, the dates. But we also have the ability to perform things such as smoothing functions, where you're able to use MemSQL's built-in window functions to calculate some averages. And then you also can get into the weeds, where you're able to find a row as a specific point in time, as you can see with this query here. And as you can see, all of this data is coming back relatively quickly. We can even build procedures off of these and then execute a stored procedure so that we can get specific data points. Now, why does this matter? Well, as we know, a lot of databases that are on the market today are very niche. There are specific databases that are just dedicated to time series, and there's other databases that are dedicated to data warehouses, or so on and so forth. MemSQL allows you to do all of it in one ANSI SQL database in real time and at a third of the cost of its competitors. That's pretty amazing if you ask me. And again, that's why I think that MemSQL is the future of database. So if you guys want to learn more about MemSQL and its time series functions, feel free to reach out to us in the comments below or at info@smesgroup.com. Bye guys.